Hey guys, welcome back to the tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to see deleted messages on WhatsApp. So let's get started. If someone sends a message on WhatsApp and delete it before you see it, you will still be able to read what they sent. For example, I wanna see deleted messages of this person. To see the deleted messages, go back from WhatsApp and now go to the settings. Click on notification and status bar. Go to the more settings. Now click on notification history. To see the deleted messages, you have to enable your notification history option. And then if you look down, then you can see WhatsApp option. Click this option. Now you can read what your friend has sent to you. And that's it. If you found something useful in this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel for more video like this. And thanks for watching this video until the end.